Hey guys, before we begin this video, I really would like to raise awareness to the events that we know are happening in America right now. It's honestly shaking the world with the unjust police brutality and racism that we see, and we really need to suffocate all that hate. So I'm going to leave links down below to the countless petitions that you can sign, to information about what's going on if you aren't really briefed and informed. And I'm also going to leave links to charities you can donate to, obviously petitions again, and ways that you can donate without money, which basically means that there's a YouTube video link down below. All of the ad revenue gained from watching the video will go to the charities. And I'll also leave some protests that are happening in Melbourne as we speak. So I just had to get that out there, and let's get on with the video. So the one question I get, whether it be in the YouTube comments or the Instagram DMs, is, hey, I just started reselling. What cook group are you in, and how can I best move my stock quickly and also grow a following on my page on Instagram? So I teamed up with the homies over at SolarSys to give every single one of you new resellers a head start into the insanely huge reselling community in Australia and give you the best possible chance at succeeding. Now, reselling a couple years ago was pretty different. We were a lot younger, more naive, and that definitely reflected the types of content that we were producing when it came to advertising our content and the types of products that we were selling. Starting capital to begin reselling was also close to none, as there was not much things that 12-year-olds could do back then to earn money other than the old hit up your mom protocol. And don't get me started to the small bite-sized amount of knowledge that we had when it came to reselling. But as time went on, we grew, and so did the technology and creativity around us when it came to marketing, advertising, and building a brand. And in today's age, it couldn't be more easier to start reselling sneakers and start making that cash money. Let me show you how. Now, unless you've been living under a rock for the past 2 years, you sneakerheads must have heard of the infamous Discord Cook Group. They're services that help their local region cop sneakers for retail and release date, help them maximize profits, return on investments, and provide special in-house info that is essential for making money in the sneaker marketing world. And to a new subscriber, seeing all these Discord channels, proxies, bots, adding to cart links, verified accounts, all the terminologies that are found in this side of reselling can be pretty overwhelming. I myself was taken aback by the amount of information that I received on my first day of joining and subscribing to my cook group, OzNotify, and I feel like I had to play catch up just to understand what exactly was going on. And whilst Discord cook groups are insanely helpful, for someone that's just into day one of reselling sneakers, I'm recommending a slightly different path. When it comes to reselling, building a large following and establishing your brand is one of the most important first steps to start reselling on whatever sort of platform you choose. Most commonly, that'll be Instagram. With a big following and an established brand name, you will earn customers respect and approval, not to mention their trust as well. And with a big following, you'll cement your spot as one of Australia's most trustworthy and reliable resellers. And this will no doubt help you move your sneakers quicker and for the price that you want. And with a big following and a large engagement, this will help you explore ways to monetize your brand name, either charging for story shoutouts, product sourcing for customers, and most commonly required spots for giveaways, where essentially a page pays you a sum of money in order to have their name as one of the few resale pages that you are required to follow in order to enter a giveaway. This funding can contribute to the level of hype sneakers that you can provide, where the increasing level will most definitely earn you more traction, traffic, and more entrance to the giveaway. This gives you more exposure and also gives your required followers more exposure, which means everyone wins. Those tips I just gave you are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to reselling sneakers. For obvious reasons, I'm not going to disclose any others, as what's the point of joining these exclusive groups? And I'm here to introduce you to probably one of the best reseller tools that any beginner could ever want. SolarSys. Now, SolarSys is a Discord group with a twist. It's not mainly a cook group. It's essentially just like an online sneaker course for beginner resellers, where maybe they want to start learning about how to use Instagram to sell their products, run giveaways, respond to DMs, promotions, the right way to post products, and all these tips and tricks to help you minimize your mistakes and maximize your success. What else is cool is that they offer one-on-one support with their staff members. The staff members are hired based on the cities that they operate in, in. I'm just gonna leave the names and the corresponding cities up on the screen here. And with big names such as Creased Up Kicks, Nonstop Hype, Akari Hype, Limited Oz, no doubt you'll have all of your questions answered. What's cool is that they also run slots for sneaker releases. So this is essentially where they, on your behalf, purchase the sneakers for you with their high success rates, and you can sit back and enjoy while they cop for you, and you don't have to go through any stress, and you'll probably catch an L yourself. Just like other Cook groups, SolarSyst provides exclusive in-store info when it comes to stock levels, secret restocks on items, and much more. Establishing a good community connection is really important when running one of the biggest Australian reselling groups in the game. SolarSyst is focused on growing with the community and providing top-notch help to any resellers regardless of what stage that they are at currently. You can be a beginner reseller, intermediate, or even an expert reseller seeking help from other experts. It's a super good choice for any beginner reseller starting in the game. And with weekly group calls and consultations, it's a really good choice for any beginner resellers trying to grow really quickly and with as little mistakes as possible. Like with any exclusive Cook group, this one comes with a price. It's $180 for a yearly membership, and with the information that you get with this, it's definitely a great deal. Most other Cook groups charge $30 a monthly. This can charge you well over $300 for a year. And if you don't necessarily need the monitors, the bot help, and etc., and want to just know how to grow your page specifically, I'm sure that being a member of SolarSyst will be a better investment for your career. I also feel like $180 yearly versus $30 monthly just gets the billing straight out the way. And if you're hesitant with making a large investment in such a short period of time, just think about the value that you will get from this Cook group. This is no doubt a great investment for you guys, and you gotta spend money to make money. No one ever made an omelette without cracking a few eggs. You'll definitely see your money back quickly, joined with some profits if you follow these steps correctly and put in your work. Some of the biggest Australian resellers in the game are coming together to make this group happen. They're providing their members with the tips and the knowledge that they've gained in order to help them grow to the pages and people that we see today. I'm friends with pretty much all of them, and I'm always super impressed when I see the hustle, the shoes that they're selling, their dedication, their knowledge, and etc. every time I talk with them. So that's gonna wrap up today's video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed and learned something new. And if you did, comment them down below and hit the like button on this video. It really helps the channel a lot. Be sure to give SolarSyst on Instagram a follow and check them out. And by the way, they're restocking really soon, and the way that you can enter is by filling out a Google form on their page at SolarSyst. And yeah, they're gonna be restocking next Friday, so make sure you don't want to miss out on this. $180 for a yearly subscription is really not that much at all, considering the amount of knowledge that you will get from this. Like, I myself run a reselling page, it's not that big, and I'll definitely use this group in order to help me grow my page personally. I usually just resell my shoes on my own personal page. You can follow me at Joshua J Salvador, but definitely if I have more time, because I'm really time constrained with the amount of projects I've been working on, sometimes I don't really have that much time for running a reselling page, but I'm sure we can make some time. So yeah, guys, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Peace.